Hey everyone, this is Ryder from Skip. I hope you're doing well. It's July 8th and I have a quick video on PPP loan recipients. So if you're trying to find out who received PPP loans near you or certain companies to look up if they received loans and you're having trouble with the data that the SBA shared, this video is for you. So as many of you know, this Monday the SBA and Treasury finally released data, tons of data for all of the PPP loan recipients, and they distributed over $500 billion. So $500 billion went to companies. Most were loans under 150,000, but many, around 15% of all loan recipients received more than 150,000. And all of these people were named. Everyone who received over 150,000 were shared in a big CSV file. It's over 100 megabytes. It's massive, and it takes a while to go through. So what we did here at Skip, because our goal is to always increase transparency and information sharing, we made an easy search tool for you to look up any PPP loan recipient. So you can go to helloskip.com/ppp-data, or you can go to ppploandata.org. So I'll type this in here, ppploandata.org, redirects to this page, ppploandata.org, and basically, let's say you live in California. I'm going to put in a Bay Area zip code. Put in your zip code. I want to know who received loans in my zip code. And this is probably the biggest use case for a lot of people if you're curious about businesses near you that received funding. And you can scroll down and see the loan range, the business name, the city, state, zip, and the type of business. You can cross-reference this, but we may add it so you can actually see the type of business based on the code. The business type, is it a nonprofit, corporation, LLC, and the jobs retained, which is very interesting. Obviously, the whole point of this program was to save jobs, so you can see, okay, Bay Area Children's Theater received between $350 and $1 million, and they say, this is self-reported, they say this is going to help save 104 jobs. So it's really interesting. You can put in any zip code, or if you had a specific name of a company, I forget, Zip Care Transportation, but there were some tech companies that received loans that are probably on this list. But you can just search, poke around. You can search by state, city, and even lender if you're curious about certain lenders. I mean, if you are a lender watching this video, you can search that way. Or if you want to see if your company is on this list, of course you can put in your company name, business name, and see if you show up as well. But this is directly from this CSV file, but rather than you having to download this massive file and put it into a big Excel spreadsheet and poke around with the data, we made it easy. So I hope this helps. Last plug for, if you haven't done a free business listing yet on Skip, you can go to supportcovidrecovery.com, create a free business listing, and we'll help you with marketing information. We even did a piece on SEO optimization, and if you're a small business that wants to get a leg up, especially now if you're closed or partially open, some tips for SEO. So if you create a free listing, we'll send that to you. And please feel free to share this with other businesses or people who are curious and want to see some transparency on who exactly received PPP loans. I hope this is helpful, and thanks again for subscribing. It makes all of what we're doing possible and supporting us. Take care and stay well.